Hey everyone, it's Marti from Down the Rabbit Hole Travel, coming at you from freezing cold Alberta, Canada. The temperature here this last week has hovered between minus 35 degrees Celsius all the way to minus 50 when you factor in the wind chill. But we Canadians are tough. Let me show you some cool things to do when it's minus 50 in Canada. This last week, my area of central Alberta in Canada hit some crazy cold temperatures, making global headlines. In fact, we were one of the coldest places on the planet yesterday, surpassing low temperatures in both the North Pole and the South Pole. I was supposed to be working this week, but schools have been closed all week due to the extreme cold temperatures. And yes, we've survived the week by staying inside, cuddled under blankets and watching movies, and baking cookies. But there are some fun things to do outside, even when it's this cold. The first activity I'm going to show you is called the Mpemba Effect, where you boil some water, toss it into the air in sub-zero temperatures, and see what happens. The colder the air, the more instantaneous the effect. Okay, we have a pot of boiling water. We're gonna see if we can make some snow. Another popular and new activity to do in this minus 45 weather is to play a little game of frozen frisbee and paper airplanes. Let me show you. So we waited 10 minutes, and this is what happened. Now I'm gonna make a paper airplane. Another trick to try is to fill a plastic bottle with water and set it outside until it's just about frozen, but still liquid. Let's give it a tap and see what happens. Let's see if this bottle's ready. You can see it's still liquid, but if we give it a tap, ice crystals. It's right up. Another beautiful -50 Canadian winter trick is making frozen soap bubbles. It takes a lot of patience because the bubbles like to pop, but when it finally works, it is a thing of beauty. As you can see, when the temperatures get this cold, you don't have to lock yourself away inside. Obviously, don't spend the whole day outside in -50 degrees Celsius weather, but there are some cool things to do when it freezes. If you enjoyed this video or just plain feel sorry for me, click that thumbs up button and leave me a cheerful comment. For those of you new to Down the Rabbit Hole, please feel free to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified on all new videos.